Hello, I'm Christelle, I'm a French photographer, and I just wanted to let you know that I've made a little ebook about my recent trip to Dublin in Ireland in August 2024. This ebook is available on my coffee shop, and I thought that I would share some extracts with you in this video so that you have an idea of what's inside. So feel free to have a look at my coffee shop so that you can see this ebook as well as the other ebooks and books that are still available on my coffee shop. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you enjoy the book, and I will see you tomorrow for the next video. Bye!